The Indian Navy, a combat-ready force, is prepared to take on any challenge in the maritime domain. As the Indian Navy forges ahead in its quest to fulfill its destiny as a true blue water navy, the one thing the Indian Navy has been waiting for is a dry dock large enough to dock its aircraft carriers, other ships and submarines to carry out essential underwater repairs quickly and efficiently. And today, that wait is over. The largest dock of the Indian Navy, the aircraft carrier dock, measures a mammoth 281 meters in length, 45 meters in width, and a depth of almost 17 meters, is a marvel in modern structural engineering and is designed to dock the Indian Navy's pride, the mighty aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. The aircraft carrier dock, constructed by Hindustan Construction Company Limited with Royal Haskoning DHV as the consultant, is the largest dock of the Indian Navy and the only one built into the sea, and is a major force multiplier in the space-starved Mumbai naval harbour. The cavernous dry dock can hold 200 million litres of water, more than the capacity of 80 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The massive reinforced concrete dock floor has a thickness of 1.5 meters and can safely hold ships up to a tonnage of 90,000 tons. Fascinating numbers indeed. But just what did it take to build this? In a remarkable feat of civil engineering, 38 caissoons were used for construction of dock walls, also called the fitting out berths or FOBs. The dock floor's construction is a highly technical process necessitating controlled environment and completely dry conditions. Achieving this over a length of almost 300 meters into the sea was a huge challenge, and this seemingly insurmountable task was achieved by building an entrance cofferdam to keep the seawater out. This cofferdam was made of 115 steel piles filled with reinforced concrete weighing over 60 tons each, and a concrete beam 150 meters long. Once the structure was enclosed with the construction of the entrance cofferdam and the FOBs, the first dewatering of the dock was attempted. But the next challenge was to remove the huge amounts of concrete and silt from the site of the future dock floor. A team of workers worked night and day to remove 2.23 lakh tons of silt, enough to relay 90 football fields and 45,000 tons of concrete debris. Meant to serve as the main gate locking the sea out, the imposing two caissoon gates weighing close to 2,000 tons each are another technological marvel. The successful trial of the caissoon gates, including maiden flotation and leak checks, a prerequisite for entrance cofferdam removal, was completed in the very first go. To further enhance operational flexibility, this dock can dock multiple ships by suitably partitioning the dock using the intermediate or lambda gate, another immense structure made up of 7 modules each, weighing upwards of 40 tons. Creation of such a gigantic dry dock has utilized over 40 lakh man-days. 8,000 metric tons of steel forms the core of the project, equivalent in weight to that used for the Eiffel Tower. Over 5 lakh metric tons of concrete consumed is 1.5 times the amount used in the Bandra Worli Sea Link. The dock is fitted with highly efficient valves and pumps towards flooding or dewatering in remarkably quick time. It has 2 equilibrium filling valves which can flood the dock in a mere 90 minutes, and its 8 dewatering pumps, with 7 of them working in tandem, can dewater the dock in 2.5 hours. The aircraft carrier dock is equipped with many firsts for the Navy, all aimed to reduce human effort. The hauling-in system can pull the ship in or out using minimal human intervention. Similarly, The 4 dock arms machines can be used to work on the docked ship and reach inaccessible areas with ease. For efficient material handling, the aircraft carrier dock has 2 50-ton cranes. All this achievement, with over 96% indigenous content, completely aligns it with the Indian Navy's policy of enhancement and capability through Make in India. This Navy's largest and most modern dock is an edifice of modern India and a fitting asset for the Indian Navy. The aircraft carrier dock, an amazing feat of engineering and grit, stands resolutely today in its full glory.